In Japanese, there are 3 types of sentences. Okay? Noun, verb, and adjective-based sentences. Okay? We simply call them noun sentence, verb sentence, and adjective sentence in MISJ. MISJ, you will learn how to handle these sentences separately, step by step. Okay? And first, let's study with how to handle noun sentences. Okay? Noun sentences are very simple and easy to make. Just add des after the noun. Okay? For example, name des. So, Iwasaki desu. This is how you introduce yourself. Okay. In Japan, adults use family names. But as a foreigner, I think you can use any name. First name, nickname, whatever you like. But please choose the one that is simple, easy to pronounce, and easy to memorize. Okay? And so, are you ready for practicing? Okay, so let's practice. Myself, Iwasaki desu. And you?
Mike です。
ジェーンです。
Okay, so もう一度。Iwasaki desu. Together?
Mike です。
Good. Iwasaki desu. And you?
Mike
ジェーン
で。
ですす。
Very good. Okay. And here is something I have to apologize for. As you must have noticed, Japanese sound system is very simple and the number of sounds is very limited. This means in most cases, Japanese people cannot hear and pronounce foreign names accurately. So sometimes you have to change or simplify your names. The possibility is higher if you are from Asian countries. I'm sure you feel very uncomfortable. I'm deeply sorry about it. すみません. But please be kind enough to understand the limitations of the Japanese sound system.